Hey everybody, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these super delicious and very easy air fryer fried apples. So the first thing you're going to do is peel your apples and remove the stickers. This recipe is for 2 apples. I got out 4 because I was doing a double batch. But you're only going to need to peel 2 apples. And you just want to make sure that all of the peels are removed and that the stickers are removed. And as far as which apples you use, you can use any kind of apple. We're using 1 Granny Smith and 1 Honeycrisp for this recipe. So once you get everything peeled, you are going to cut the apple into bite-sized pieces. So I cut mine in half first, then I removed the top and the bottom so that I had a flat edge, and then you're going to remove the core out of the apple. And then from there, you can slice it into bite-sized pieces. But you could really do this any way you wanted. It doesn't really matter as long as you get the core out. Okay, so once you get your apples cut up, then I'm making a little boat. That's the best way I can describe it. A little boat out of aluminum foil, just big enough to put the apples and the ingredients in, because we're putting this in the air fryer. If you just put it straight in the air fryer without this aluminum foil, it would be a sticky, gooey mess, and you wouldn't get all the extra goo and stuff that comes with fried apples, you know, the brown sugar and the butter. So make this little boat, make sure the sides are high enough, and put your apples in there. Then you're going to take 3 tablespoons of butter and you're going to cut those up into little pieces. Here I am measuring out 3 tablespoons of butter. And I just cut mine into little cubes. I just kind of did a dice on the butter. This is just so that you can spread the butter around evenly. You don't really have to do this, but if you don't, then you'll have to do some mixing afterwards because not everything will have butter on it, and that's a super important ingredient. Then once you get your butter cut up, you're going to kind of sprinkle it around on top of the apples. You want to make sure that it's evenly sprinkled so that everywhere has a little bit of butter so that you don't have to do very much mixing afterwards. Then you're going to add half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and same thing, just kind of sprinkle that everywhere. You want to make sure that it's sort of even as best you can. It's kind of hard to sprinkle cinnamon. And then you're going to add half a cup of brown sugar. And same thing, you're going to sprinkle, I packed it in there and then I put it in my hand and kind of broke it apart and sprinkled it all over the top of those apples. Then you're going to take your little apple aluminum foil boat and you're going to put that in your air fryer basket, and you are going to air fry that on 400 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. It sort of depends on your air fryer and how you like your fried apples. If you wanted them more done, get closer to 15 minutes. And there they are. If you want to see more recipes like these, check out loavesandishes.com. If you want to hear more from myself and my mom, we do have a podcast. It's called Dorks with Sporks, and you can find it wherever you listen to podcasts. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're coming out with a new video every Monday through Friday, and thanks for watching.